In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Notion. If your Notion workspace has started to feel cluttered with pages that look the same, this quick cleanup will help you stay organized and focused. Duplicates often appear after importing content, trying out templates, or copying pages for experiments, and it's easy to lose track of which version is the one you actually want to keep. The goal here is simple: identify the extra copy and safely move it out of your way. Start by finding the page you know is a duplicate. Look at your sidebar or wherever you organize your workspace and make sure you've chosen the version you don't need anymore. A helpful tip here is to glance at the page titles and any unique details, like the most recent edits or notes you remember adding, so you're confident you're removing the right copy. If you ever feel unsure, you can quickly open the page you plan to keep in a separate tab and compare its contents, just to double check. Now, hover your cursor over the duplicated page in the sidebar. When you do, a small three-dot menu icon appears next to the page name. That's the More Options menu for the page. Click that three-dot icon to open the menu. This is where Notion keeps page-level actions like renaming, exporting, and, in our case, removing a page you don't need. From the menu, choose Move to Trash. The moment you click it, Notion sends that page to the trash, clearing it from your workspace so you're not distracted by multiple versions. This is a safe and reversible action. If you realize later that you removed the wrong copy, Notion keeps it in trash for a while, and you can restore it. Knowing that the change isn't permanent right away makes it easy to be decisive without worrying you'll lose important work. If you have several duplicates, repeat the same process for each extra copy. Hover over the page, click the three dots, and select Move to Trash. It's quick, consistent, and keeps your sidebar tidy. After you've cleared out the extras, it's a good idea to stick with one naming convention for the original page so you can spot it easily in the future. Also, if other pages link to the duplicate you removed, you may want to update those links to point to the page you kept. That's all it takes. With just a couple of clicks, your Notion workspace becomes cleaner, faster to navigate, and easier to manage.